teacher.
Please introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Henry.
Henry, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Now let's talk about forest animals. Okay, say it. These are forest animals.
Forest animals.
Now, Henry, show me the elephants. Where are the elephants? Okay. What are these?
Elephant.
Okay, how many elephants do you have?
1, 2.
Good. Are they big?
Yes.
Yes, they are.
That they are.
They are big.
They are big.
Now, where do elephants live? Elephants
Elephant
live in the forest.
live in the forest.
Now, where are the bats? How many bats do you have?
1, 2.
2. Can they fly?
Yes.
Yes, they can.
That they can.
They can fly.
They can fly.
What color is it?
Not
Black. And this one is?
pink.
Okay. Now, where do bats live? Bats
That
live.
in the forest.
Very good. Now, what about zebras?
See what?
Where are they, Henry? Zebras. Very good. What are these?
Zebra.
Zebras
Zebra
live.
live in the forest.
How many legs does it have?
2,
How many legs?
4.
Okay, a zebra
A zebra
has
has 4
legs.
legs.
Can they run?
Yes.
Yes, they can.
8, 10.
Louder.
8, 10.
Yes, they can.
8, 10.
Okay, now, where's the monkey? I'm looking for the monkey. What is this?
Monkey.
A monkey.
A monkey lives in the forest.
Can it climb a tree?
Yes.
Yes, it can.
8, 10.
What about the crocodile?
It's a
Crocodile. I'm looking for the crocodile. Go, Henry. Crocodile, go. Do you like crocodiles?
No.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
I don't like crocodiles.
I don't not. I don't die.
Crocodiles.
I
Now, where do crocodiles live?
It's
Crocodiles
crocodile
live in the forest.
live in the forest.
Very good. Where's the bear? What color is it?
Not
Okay. Look, how many legs does it have?
4.
It has
4.
4 legs. Bears
Yes,
live in the forest.
live in the forest.
Okay, bye-bye. Excellent job, Henry. Good job.